And the third unboxing in a row, sorry everyone, comes the Tolino Vision Color. The reason we're unboxing all these is because we need to open them and use them and get them prepped, and there's a little bit of a issue right now with their server, so we can't actually do any reviews, so we're unboxing everything we have. This is a new color display, but it's actually based off of the Kobo Libra Color, so it's much the same thing. You have a 7-inch EINK HD Kaleido 3 display, color display, and then you have waterproof, you have front light, you have listen to audiobooks via Bluetooth because there is no speakers on board, unfortunately. You have Wi-Fi, you have USB-C, 32 gig storage, all that fun stuff. You even get the Kobo pen, or the Tolino Stylus they call it. So we're just gonna crack everything open and see if it is any different, and you can see right on the back there, they literally say Rakuten Kobo Inc. because that's who they use to get all these devices from. So it's a very admitted white label. They don't hide the fact that they are using Kobo, and that's great because it appeals to a lot of people that live in regions around Europe that don't have access to Kobo. I love this little smiley face they have everywhere on the box, on the manual, on the device itself, and he does different things. So if you're charging, he'll look like that. If he's sleeping, he'll look like that, etc. So let's explore the rest of the box, as I hope there's no stylus in here as well, because then they double dip. No, they did not. All right, so we have the Vision Color. Oh, look, even the customer service guy is that guy. Where is he? Oh, here he is. Right there. That's the same dude, right? Yeah, he's just wearing a headset. I didn't notice that before. That's awesome. And there's the charging one. So it is in multiple languages, including English, which is really nice. And you have the warranty information. You also have a USB-C. It is a full size to C, and it is a Tolino branded unit as well. Now, before we get into the device itself, I'm going to put it right there. I want to see what's in this stylus box, which obviously I'm sure is going to be a stylus, but what do we have for tips, what do we have for documentation, etc. So there's nothing in there, and the box cardstock is very light, but this is extremely heavy. It's like triple protected, so that's going to keep your thing safe. So there's the Tolino pen. Oh, Tolino logo on it. Nice. Well, they went above and beyond. That's nice. Same kind of setup, quick start guide, multiple languages, and warranty information. Let's look at the tip-a-doos first. What do we got in here? We should have, oh, okay. You know what? Offhand, I can't actually remember if Kobo gives you more tips. I kind of feel like they gave you 5, but that could have been from the first gen, not the second one that's used on the Ellipsa 2, etc. You know what? I'm gonna have to review that. Anyways, here is the pen. So you have the side button and you have the removable tips. You can just pull off like that. Be careful when you're utilizing that. Wow, it's hard to get that back in there. And you have an eraser at the back. Yes, this is not Wacom. This is active capacitive, which means you have to charge it via USB-C, much like the Sony DPT pen, although that one is micro USB, a little bit outdated. Let's go and yeah, son, love that. I love doing that on devices that aren't mine. I like to keep plastic on all my devices. I still have my old 3D TV from 2015 that I have my plastic on. So you have that nice kind of clover leaf backing. I really like that. And of course, again, this is all recycled plastic, 85% at least. Tolino logo on the back, Tolino logo on the front, the 2 buttons, and the nice kind of subtly curved front here. I really think that's a nice touch. And we should have a generational stamp somewhere right there. So 1 generation, which means first generation, pointed nicely out by some users of ours. And this is IPX8 waterproof. Let's go ahead and turn it on for the first time. Right out of the box, there's not going to be too many ways we'll be able to show you color other than some light highlighting type things because, well, there's no content on here and it's really just not populated with anything, but we do have some beta features here. This is all going to change once we do an update, once we connect to Wi-Fi, and once we sync. The reason we're not is because, like we said, there's a little bit of a server issue with Tolino at the date of this upload. We hope they fix that so we can actually proceed and do production on the reviews themselves, but this is all going to mostly change. You do have some light navigation you can do with this. It'll even count as volume up and down in certain instances, like specific audiobooks, etc. Again, there's no speakers. You're going to have to use Bluetooth, which is accessible in the settings menu. You have synchronized battery, Wi-Fi, and glow light. You have natural light and brightness. This is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Tolino Vision Color. And whether you get that one or this one, you're going to have the exact same hardware, but a little bit of a different software experience and some customer service and whatnot. But for the most part, it all comes down to where you live in the world.